You walk into the kitchen at midnight for a snack, and then you see it, that shiny, creepy little roach scurrying across your counter. But don't panic, and don't run to buy expensive sprays or toxic chemicals just yet, because today, I'm showing you 17 genius ways to get rid of cockroaches using simple things already sitting in your cupboard. Stick around till the end, because number 13 is a weird trick that keeps roaches from coming back. Ever again. 1. Baking soda and sugar. This is one of the simplest and most effective natural roach killers. Mix equal parts baking soda and sugar, then sprinkle the mixture wherever you've seen roaches, behind appliances, under the sink, and along baseboards. The sugar acts as bait, drawing the roaches in, while the baking soda reacts with the acids in their digestive system to produce gas. Since roaches can't burp or release gas, this buildup proves fatal. It's a completely non-toxic method for humans and pets, yet deadly for the invaders. 2. Borax and sugar. Borax, a common laundry booster, is a powerful insect killer. Combine 1 part borax with 1 part sugar and scatter it in areas where cockroaches are active. The sugar lures them in, while the borax damages their exoskeleton and dehydrates them after ingestion. It's a slow but sure killer. Roaches carry traces of borax back to their nest, spreading it to others. Just remember to keep this mixture away from children and pets, since borax isn't meant for consumption. 3. White vinegar spray. White vinegar isn't a roach killer, but it's an excellent cleaner and deterrent. Mix equal parts vinegar and water with a few drops of dish soap in a spray bottle. Use it to clean countertops, cabinets, and baseboards. The strong scent of vinegar removes the pheromone trails that roaches use to communicate and navigate toward food sources. This disrupts their pathways and makes your kitchen far less inviting for them. 4. Lemon juice. Cockroaches hate the smell of citrus, and especially lemons. Add lemon juice to your cleaning water or fill a spray bottle with equal parts lemon juice and water. Wipe or spray it along floors, shelves, and corners where you've seen activity. The citric acid in lemon not only disinfects but also leaves behind a scent that roaches find highly unpleasant. It's a great way to repel pests while making your home smell fresh and clean. 5. Coffee grounds trap. Used coffee grounds can be turned into a clever DIY roach trap. Place some moist coffee grounds in a jar or cup, fill it halfway with water, and leave it where roaches are likely to travel. The rich smell of coffee attracts them, and once they crawl in, the slippery walls and water make it impossible for them to escape. This trap works overnight and helps you physically remove roaches from your home without chemicals. 6. Bay leaves. If you prefer a non-lethal method, bay leaves are your best friend. Crush a few dried bay leaves and sprinkle them around cabinets, drawers, and food storage areas. Roaches can't stand the scent. They'll immediately leave the area or avoid it altogether. It's a gentle but effective repellent, especially in kitchens where you don't want to use harsh sprays or poisons. The best part? It doubles as a natural air freshener. 7. Garlic, onion, and pepper spray. Roaches rely on their sense of smell to locate food, so anything that overwhelms their senses can drive them away. Boil a few cloves of garlic, a chopped onion, and a teaspoon of black pepper in water, then let it cool and pour into a spray bottle. The strong combination of sulfur compounds and spice irritates roaches in masks. Food scents that normally attract them. Spray it in cracks, corners, and under appliances to repel them naturally. 8. Fabric softener. Spray a surprising but powerful roach killer. Fabric softener suffocates cockroaches on contact. Mix 3 parts fabric softener with 2 parts water and pour it into a spray bottle. When you spot a roach, spray it directly. The softener forms a soapy film that clogs the roach's spiracles, the tiny holes they use to breathe. This method works fast and leaves your room smelling fresh too. 9. Cucumber peels. Cucumber peels may seem harmless, but they can be an effective short-term roach deterrent. Place fresh cucumber peels in aluminum containers or on foil near cockroach-prone areas. The chemical reaction between the cucumber skin and metal releases a scent that roaches dislike. While this trick doesn't kill them, it helps drive them away naturally. Plus, it's completely safe and biodegradable. 10. Petroleum jelly trap. This simple trap uses everyday household items to outsmart roaches. Take a glass jar, smear petroleum jelly, like Vaseline, around the inside rim, and place a piece of fruit or bread at the bottom. The scent of food draws roaches in, but the slippery petroleum jelly prevents them from escaping. It's a low-cost, non-toxic method to capture multiple roaches overnight. Just dispose of the jar in the morning. 11. Baking soda and lemon juice paste. If you've seen roaches near your sink or drains, this mixture can help. Combine baking soda and lemon juice to create a fizzy paste, then pour or scrub it down your drain and around your sink. The reaction helps clean grease and residue that attract cockroaches, while the lemon's acidity and smell drive them away. It's both a natural disinfectant and a deterrent in one step. 12. Essential oils. Certain essential oils are natural insect repellents, especially peppermint, eucalyptus, and tea tree oil. Add 10 to 15 drops to a spray bottle filled with water and a dash of dish soap, then spritz along cracks, corners, and entry points. The strong aroma overwhelms roaches' sensory receptors and masks the scent of food, making your home far less appealing. Bonus: your space smells fresh and clean, not like chemicals. 13. Chalk or talcum powder barrier. Cockroaches depend on the waxy layer of their exoskeleton to retain moisture. Drawing a chalk line or sprinkling talcum powder near entryways, cupboards, or walls disrupts that layer. The fine particles stick to their bodies, dehydrating them over time or discouraging them from crossing it altogether. It's a surprisingly simple physical barrier that helps prevent roaches from invading your space. 14. Diatomaceous earth, food grade. If you have food-grade diatomaceous earth in your pantry or garden supplies, it's a powerful, natural cockroach killer. Sprinkle a light layer behind appliances, under sinks, and along walls. The fine powder may look harmless, but under a microscope, it's made of tiny, sharp, fossilized algae. When roaches crawl through it, it pierces their waxy exoskeleton and absorbs the oils that keep them hydrated, leading to dehydration and death. It's non-toxic to humans and pets, but devastating to insects. 15. Baking powder and egg yolk bait. A homemade roach bait made from baking powder and egg yolk works surprisingly well. Mix 1 boiled egg yolk with 2 tablespoons of baking powder, roll it into small balls, and place them in the corners of your kitchen or under cabinets. The egg scent lures the roaches, and the baking powder acts like baking soda. It reacts with stomach acids, producing gas that the roaches can't expel. It's safe, simple, and a great way to tackle infestations without harsh chemicals. 16. Salt and detergent water. For an instant roach killer, combine salt and dish detergent in warm water and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it directly on roaches when you spot them. The detergent cuts through their protective outer coating while the salt dehydrates them. This mix kills on contact and leaves behind a clean, grease-free surface that roaches find unattractive. It's also perfectly safe for daily use around pets and food areas. 17. Catnip, Nepeta cataria. If you have a cat or just a packet of catnip tea, you've already got a natural cockroach repellent. Boil a tablespoon of catnip in a cup of water, let it cool, and spray it around doors, windows, and under furniture. The compound nepetalactone, which drives cats wild, acts as a strong insect repellent. Roaches can't stand the scent and will quickly vacate treated areas. This method is non-toxic, safe, and leaves your home smelling fresh and herbal. So before you spend a fortune on exterminators, try raiding your own kitchen first. These 17 tricks are cheap, natural, and actually work. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home hacks that save you money, and tell me in the comments. Which one of these are you trying tonight? And remember that your kitchen belongs to you, not the roaches. Finally, here is another video to get rid of those pesky cockroaches. Just 1 tablespoon of this, and all the cockroaches are gone forever.